Hello folks, we come to the part 1 video of this exercise 15.2. As I told earlier that here we are learning concepts of variance and variance and mean to start with. Standard deviation also we are doing it later. Now the very first question is the data that is given to us. They ask us to find the mean and the variance. There are two formulae here. So I will be giving you an insight of both the formula. One is a conventional formula, then we modify the formula, and the modified formula is much better. So that we will be using in most of the problems. So here we are doing it by conventional method. From here onwards we will do it by modified formula. Right. So the data is not written. So let's have the data. 6, 7, 10, 12. 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. Yeah. Now let's look at the sum and see what comes, because we want the mean. So let's find the sum of it. 6 and 7, 13, 15, 18, 22, 30, 32, 3 carry. 3 and 1, 4. 3 and 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. 72. So in order to find the mean, we know that the formula is summation xi by n, and this has come to 72. Number of values is 8, so there are 8 data, so you are getting xi as 9. Now let's do 6 minus 9 over here, minus 3. 7 minus 9, minus 2. 10 minus 9, 1. 12 minus 9, 3. 13 minus 9, 4. 4 minus 9, minus 5. And 8 minus 9, minus 1. 12 minus 9, 3. So let's have the squares. You can see this column, it's square. 9, 4, 1, 9, 16, 25, 1 and 9. We require the sum of this. Summation of xi minus x bar the whole square. 9 and 4, 13 and 1, 14. 14 and 9 is 23 and 6 is 29. 29 and 5 it's 34, 35, 35 and 9 is 44, 4 carry. 4 and 2 it's 6, 7, 74. So your variance is going to be summation xi minus x bar the whole squared by n. So here it is 74 divided by 8. So 9s are 72. If you want we can have it. 9s are 72, 2 remainder, 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 4 remainder, 9.25. So your variance value will work out as 9.25 in this case. So that's about the variance. Now as I said, this is a conventional method. By the time now when we go to the next problem, we modify the formula as summation xi squared by n minus summation xi by n the whole squared. This is the formula that we will be using, and this works a little more simpler. So we will use this formula in the next problem. Now in the next problem they tell that you have to find the mean and variance for the first n natural numbers. Okay, so how do we calculate the mean of the first 10 natural numbers? First n natural numbers is 1 plus 2 plus, we sum up and we divide by n, isn't it? So this is all our formula, that what we know we will use it, because this as such we cannot tabulate and find out. So whatever formula we know we will use it, and that way we will get the answer. Mean we know is the sum of values by the number of values. So we are using that. And this we have learnt it as a formula. It is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole by n. So you will have this like n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Divided by n means multiplication by the reciprocal and all that. By that this n will come here. Finally the mean will come to n plus 1 by 2. So that's about it. Then they have asked us to find the variance. And variance, now as I have told you, this is the formula. Summation xi squared by n minus summation xi. This is mean itself. Right? This is mean itself. So this we know, it is n plus 1 by 2 the whole squared. And this is 1 by n times summation xi squared means 1 squared, 2 squared and so on n squared. For that also you know the formula. The formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. We know that formula. And here now what is this? N plus 1 into n plus 1, 2 into 2, right? So n can cancel. You can have series of common things. N plus 1 by 2, I think you can take common. So that in the first bracket you are left with 2n plus 1 by 3. And in the second bracket you are left with n plus 1 by 2. And then maybe we'll equalize and all that, we'll get the answer. So to equalize this to be 2 multiplied by 2, this to be multiplied by 3. So we'll get 2 times 2n plus 1 minus 3 times n plus 1 whole by 6. So how much will this come to? N plus 1 by 2, 4n plus 2 minus 3n minus 3 by 6. So this is n and this is minus 1. So it's like n plus 1 into n minus 1 by 12. Or n squared minus 1 if you want, you can tell like that also. That's it. No, because those values are like that, you can only work it out in that way. That's it. That's the value that you get here. As is a squared minus b squared by that formula, if you want, you can take it like this. That's about this. Next, they give us the first 10 multiples of 3 and same thing. So here, because we have learned this easy way out, we are going to do that not by this method. This method means first you should find the mean, then you should make the column, then you should square it, and then you should add it up to get the answer. Here we are only making a square column, and with the help of that we will be doing it. So here it is now 3 squared, it's 9, 6 squared it's 36, this is 81, this is 144, this is 225, and this is 324, this is 441, and 24 squared, this I know, 900. These two maybe we'll just find out. 24 into 24, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So it is 8 and 8 16 and 1 17, 576. Also 27 7 29 or something like that, but let's check. 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, 18, 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, so 9 12, yeah, 729, I guessed it. We'll get the sum of this. We require the sum of this. So let's get the sum of this. Also we require the sum of this also, both of them. We require summation xi also, we require summation xi squared also. Let's do this. 6 and 9, 15, 16, 20, 29, 30, 36, 36 and 9, 45, 4 carry. 4 and 2, 6, 13, 17, 19, 21, 25, 33, 36, 3, 12 and 7, 19, 19 and 5, 24, 28, 31, 33, 34, right? And let's check this. So 9 and 9, 18, 18, 20, 25, 33, 34, 38, 38 and 7, it's 45. 4 and 3, it's 7, 9, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. I hope it's okay. Yeah, then we are up to, yeah, here and there we should keep checking the values. Yeah. So, let's check now. Mean. X bar is summation xi by n, which is 165. 10 values are here, so 16.5. That's okay. Then standard, no, variance. Variance, we have learned this new formula, summation xi squared by n minus summation xi by n the whole squared, which is for us our mean only. So this is 16.5 the whole square. And what is it over here? 3465 by 10. Right. I don't know whether doing this is better or whether keeping it. Let's keep it and see. This is 165 by 10 into 165 by 10. Right. Let's see how this is working. Multiply this by 10 so that we have it equalized. 34650 minus that square by 10. Let's find out which is better. 165 into 165 anyhow you have to do. So let's do it. 5 5s are 25 to carry. 32, 3 carry, 8. Then 6 5s are 30, 3 carry. 36 and 3, 39, 3 carry. 6 1s are 6, 9. Now this is of course 165. So 5, 2, 8 and 8, 16, 17, 22, 11. 11 and 6, 17. 2, 7, 2, 2, 5. So it is 27225. So 34650 minus 27225. Let's subtract. 5, 4 and 2, 2, 4, 14 and 7, 7. Yeah, 7425. 7425 divided by 10. So 742.5. That's too high. Yeah. No, sorry. It is 10 into 10. Because we are equalizing, it is 10 into 10. So it's 100. And that will become 74.25. Now it's okay. So that's how we deal with raw data. We had the raw data and we have found out the mean and standard variance for the raw data. Next we are going to take discrete data and we will find these things for that also. Thank you.